So here I've taken around 400 grams of macaroni pasta. We need to pre-boil it, 3 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. And some button mushrooms, around 250 grams to 300 grams of button mushrooms. I had a stock of green and red capsicum, that is bell peppers. Salt and pepper for taste. 2 to 3 roughly chopped onion. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, red chili powder. 3 to 4 green chilies, roughly chopped. And around 2 to 3 tomatoes. I haven't blanched it, I roughly chopped them. 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Around 2 to 3 tablespoons of herbs or more. 100 ml of fresh cream. I haven't blanched or pureed the tomatoes. You can just roughly chop them or you can blanch them and make it into puree. It's all your choice. If you're planning to blanch and puree the tomatoes, then do add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of pepper and salt. It will really enhance the taste of the puree. Please do check our description box below for the recipe details and the method to follow. You need around 1 whole garlic, peeled and finely chopped, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and homemade ginger garlic paste, around 1 to 2 tablespoons. For 400 grams of macaroni pasta, I've used around 3 to 4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. If you don't stock olive oil, that's okay, you can use any cooking oil. Thanks for watching my channel Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by the name Flour and Aroma. Thank you so much. Stay connected.